Poles come with 3 different types of feet and a beach basket. A road foot is a specially designed angular rubber stub used for walking on harder, more compact surfaces like roads, sidewalks, concrete, and asphalt. A trail foot is a round, flat-bottomed rubber stub used for walking on looser surfaces and hard to medium compact trails like gravel roads, park paths, or trails. A carbide tip is a solid carbide metal tip built into the end of the pole, used for lesser compact terrain or slippery surfaces like hiking trails or icy roads. A beach basket is a plastic-shaped disc with threads to screw on to the end of the pole, just up from the bottom of the tip. It's used for sandy or grassier terrain to stop the poles from going into the ground too deep.